So hey everyone, so this is Kitex, an autonomous market making system on Kite Mainnet. So we have three independent agents. The first one is liquidity agent, arbitrage agent, and a risk agent. So what they do is they manage a shared treasury with zero human intervention, and where the capital is allocated based on on-chain reputation, and where the good agents grow and the bad agents starve. So everything you're about to see is running on Kite Mainnet. So let's get started. And parallelly I'll just show you the backend terminal as well for the backend logs. So let's start our backend. So the backend is started running, and let's head back to our dashboard. The orchestrator runs in two modes. The first one is autonomous mode, which wakes every 15 seconds, reads the pool state, and queries Goldsky for the recent swap history, and asks each agent what to do. If a real opportunity exists, the agent executes on-chain, and no human inputs needed. And in manual mode, for the demo, you can trigger a market event or force a cycle on demand. And here we can see the Goldsky subgraph indexing our live transaction happening in our project. So everything behind in our terminal on our right, it's happening autonomous. So it's running in an autonomous logic, and this is our demo section. So I'm going to execute a real swap on algebra integral dex to push the pool price outside the liquidity range. And these are some of the controls we have for the manual triggers, like rebalancing. We can push up, down, and we can also see our live transaction feed from a backend. So let's just navigate to the top to show the demo. So we'll just hit the push up button like this. Okay, okay, so you'll notice a nonce error there. So that's nothing but the autonomous orchestrator and my manual trigger submitting at the same time. So one wins, the other backs off. So let's run our cycle. So now let's I'll just expand my terminal. So watch the agents, the pool state is red, and the Goldsky returns the reference price, and the arbitrage agent detects a 44 basis point divergence and well above the threshold. So it submits a counter swap on algebra swap router, and our transaction details is here, and we can just navigate to our kite scan to view our swap. Now that our counter swap has been confirmed, we can view in our kite explorer. It takes some time. Yeah. So our real-time mainnet counter swap has been executed, and we can see the details here. And that's how the reputation also updates through the CapitalRouter. And also the Goldsky will index every transaction here, and we can see our current transaction here for the counter swap as well. So let's head back to the agent, and I'll show you what are the agents we have. And our reputation has been updated for the arbitrage agent as well, from 100 to 112 for a proper swap. And here we can view the PNL graphs. So here you can see the capital allocation shifted to 35.9% of the treasury because the agent earned its shares. So the total decision counter incremented, and yeah, so we can see the logs as well, and we can click to view the block explorer as well. And here it is, the immutable proof, the Kitex audit log contract on Kite Mainnet, where every agent decision is recorded here forever, and anyone can verify what this agent did, when, and why. So yeah. And also we have a separate page for how the entire project works, so we can view it here to understand more deeply. And yeah, so that's all from Kitex. So every Kitex has a unique identity registered with Kitex passport system. So this is the operator passport that owns all three on-chain agents. So yeah, so that's all from Kitex. Thank you.